Have you ever bought something thinking it would make you feel better? And a few days later, all you're left with is the credit card bill. And that emptiness no one talks about. If this happens often, it's not because you don't make enough money. It's an emotional cycle disguised as necessity. And that cycle is exactly what's keeping you stuck. In debt, frustrated, and far from peace. In this video, I'm going to show you how to break out of that automatic loop of buying, regretting, going into debt, and starting over. And how to start making smarter choices that bring real freedom and peace of mind. This isn't about never spending again. It's about stopping the self-sabotage. You're not in the red just because you earn too little. A lot of people with good salaries are still drowning in debt. The truth is, the problem goes deeper. It's in your behavior. Spending has become an emotional escape, a remedy for anxiety, a way to numb a life that no longer makes sense. And the industry loves that, because the more dissatisfied you are, the more you buy. Here's how it works. You feel discomfort, stress, fatigue, boredom, insecurity. Then comes the desire. Maybe it's for a new phone, new clothes, takeout. You don't really need it, but the promise of instant relief seduces you. You buy it. You feel that dopamine hit, but it fades fast. And right after, regret shows up. But now the debt is real. And the next time anxiety hits, you buy again. Welcome to the cycle. The cruelest part? This cycle feels normal. Everyone does it. But behind this normality is a growing balance, a tired mind, and a self-esteem that's slowly falling apart. You start to live in a constant state of financial war. The money's never enough. Your mind never rests. You feel like a failure, but you don't know why. And worse, you start to believe you are the problem, that you lack discipline, that you're disorganized, but you're not. You're just running on autopilot. And that autopilot was programmed to keep you stuck. Living like this comes with an invisible cost. It's not just about bills, it's daily stress. The constant fear of not making it. It impacts your relationships, your goals, your mental health. It's the feeling that no matter how hard you try, you're never getting ahead. But here's the turning point. There is a way out. And no, it's not about tripling your income. It's about breaking the cycle. And that starts with awareness. Step 1, recognize the trigger. What are you feeling before the urge to buy? Is it loneliness? Anger? Boredom? Name it. Write it down. Naming it weakens the impulse. Step 2, practice the 24-hour rule. Whenever you want to buy something, wait 24 hours. That's it. Just one day. You'll be shocked at how quickly the desire fades when it's not fed instantly. Step 3, set a monthly limit for impulse spending, a fixed, small amount, and stick to it like it's law. This isn't punishment, it's control. Step 4, create a simple visual plan for what you truly want. A clear goal, getting out of debt, building savings, taking a trip. Every time you want to spend, ask, does this bring me closer to my goal or push me further away? Step 5, replace the trigger. Instead of spending, go for a walk. Breathe, call someone, write, do something that brings you back to the present. Because what you're truly chasing isn't the product. It's what you hope it will make you feel. And the truth is, no product fixes what's unresolved inside. You can stay stuck in this cycle for another year, 5, or 10. Or you can decide enough is enough, that your peace is worth more than a moment of pleasure, that your freedom is worth more than the status of something that just becomes debt. This isn't about never spending, it's about spending with intention, with clarity, with freedom. When you understand that, you stop running from yourself and start walking toward the life you actually want to live. You're not broken, you're trapped. And this video is the key. If this made sense to you, leave a comment right now. I want out of the cycle. Let's talk more down below. Share this video with someone who keeps financing their peace in 12 installments. Because sometimes what people really need isn't more credit, it's more clarity. And if you want more videos like this, the truth, no fake promises, hit that subscribe button. We talk about what hurts, but also what sets you free. I'll see you in the next one. You can break this cycle.